Hi there. Ever wondered that since we know to use Excel in inserting and managing data, we can make use of the application well. But is there anything more that I can do with it? Can I still utilize Excel so that I can be more efficient at my work? Then the answer is yes. Being an avid user of Excel myself, I still feel that there is more to Excel than we already know, and that we can do wonders when we can use Excel as an application to its fullest. Hi, I'm Vanessa, and I invite you to experience the wonderful quest to know the deepest secrets of Excel that will enable you to be a power user of the application. In this course called Advanced Excel Skills for Power Users, we focus on some lesser known features of Excel that prove to be a lot more helpful, like array functions, pivot tables, and a lot more. And you will learn about some functions that can very well work in combination to produce results that can be analyzed and can provide a lot of insight. So good luck on your progress and see you in the next video.